The second point in this area that I wanted to raise is that interest rates influence housing prices, but they are not the reason that Australia has some of the highest cost of housing in the world. It's certainly the case that the structurally lower nominal interest rates that followed the return of low inflation in the early 1990s contributed to an increase in housing prices relative to income. But the reason that Australia has some of the highest housing prices in the world isn't interest rates, which have been roughly at similar levels in other countries with quite different levels of housing prices. Rather, the high housing prices are the outcomes of the choices that we've all made together as a society. Choices about where we live, how we design our cities, and how we design and regulate urban land, how we invest in and design transport systems, and how we tax land and how we tax housing investment. In each of these areas, our society and our politicians have made choices that lead to high urban land and high urban housing costs. It's by tackling these issues that we can address the high cost of housing in Australia, which personally I view as a serious economic and social problem.